welcome to our channel. And in today's video we will be unboxing
the Playmobil Dragon.
Yes, so in this set that's turned around, it looks like we have Astrid
And Hiccup.
and it looks
Holding
like
a fish.
Yes, and it looks like we have maybe 4 live fish. Well, they're not live.
They're dead.
We have a fish over here of the skeleton. So we have a log, some buckets. Yes, and then we have fire, some nice mugs, and what are these called again?
Night lights.
Night lights. Okay, yes. So guys, let's get into unboxing this video.
Alright, let's unbox this.
Okay, so it looks like we unbox it from, let's see, over here.
Let's unbox it.
So, let's see. Oh, gotta tear the packaging off. I love packaging. Okay. So let's see. Now guys, we did open this ahead of time, but we did not play with it, just so everything would be ready and we wouldn't be stuck taking out all the things from the little plastic pieces. So yes, it is kind of unboxed, but we just took the plastic things off. But it has never been played with. Okay, so it looks like the first thing we have in here is
a book.
Little instructions. So I think it just says all of the pieces that you have in this set and how to assemble them, which we have already went and done that. So again, we aren't doing this. So can you tell us what the first thing we have is? Make sure you show them. So we have a little
Night Fury.
And
night light.
Like a night light, yes. And he has a very nice tail detail. And it looks like he's just a very good dragon overall, isn't he?
Yeah.
Looks so cute.
Look,
so we will put him, he can move his feet. So we are going to put him right over there so he can rest.
I will stand.
Now, what is the next thing we have in this
He
set?
can open up his jaw.
We have a little log. Oh yes, and then we have this awesome detail where he can open and close his mouth. Isn't that amazing, guys? And then we have
and like get ready for a blast.
A little log, and we'll put that over here. And we have a stick. And
oh look, it's the little fish.
Oh yay!
And that one.
One of my favorite parts. Looks like we have Astrid.
But we have to put her hair on.
We do have to put her hair on, and we will do that in a minute. And then next up we have, oh, it looks like the top to the fire. And so you'll put that right over here. Another stick, guys. It looks like for roasting the fish. And over here, what is this?
Oh, I think it's Astrid's hair.
It is Astrid's hair, guys. Can you see that? There's Astrid's hair. Now we will plop that onto her. Plop. Okay. Good deal. Now,
Okay, now it's the Night Fury.
next we have, ooh, looks like we have a bunch of little mini pieces. Oh no. Okay, guys. So, looks like we have a little fish. Ooh, don't want to get that too close to the camera. Poor fishy. And now, looks like we looks like it's Hiccup's beard. And
Because this is when I think
they're grown up. So here is some cups for Hiccup, I am assuming.
you can just tell because it looks like they're married.
Yay, a little bucket for fish. That's so cool. And it looks like this is stick for roasting the fish. That is so cool, you guys. Isn't that?
Let me see the other stick in the fish.
And now, let's see.
You could actually use this.
Oh, it looks like we have
See?
Hiccup. Yes, you can use that stick. Looks like all the sticks are usable. Next we have Mr. Hiccup and his peg little leg, and looks like he has some amazing detail. He has his hair, and guys, let's go ahead and connect that beard of his. So let's see, guys. I don't know how to do this. Oh my gosh.
Let me try.
Here we go. Let's try this. Oh no. Here, you try, and I'll get back to that. Next we have, whose cape is this? It is Astrid's cape. Yay.
Oh, hers is white.
And it looks like we have a little mug glass. Hope there's another one in here. They can't both be thirsty. And now, oh yay, we have some more little fish for that little the light night to eat. So then it looks like, oh no, we have
I'm gonna be right back, guys. I need somebody to put this beard on.
this rocks, and then we have this fire, campfire, and now it looks like the next thing we have in this little set is Hiccup's
Cake.
Yes, we have Hiccup's cape. Now, that is so amazing. Oh, and so Astrid doesn't get cold, we are going to go ahead and put on her cape. It looks like we just lift up her hair, how to do, and then put it on. Now she's all nice and warm. Okay, guys, we're coming down to the last few things in this set. Sad. Okay, we have Hiccup's other little cuff thing, and we have the other little mug. Yay, they don't need to be thirsty. Okay, guys, so looks like everything together. We have
And
the
we
light
can
knife.
put the cuffs on Hiccup now.
Yes, we can put the cuffs on Hiccup. Good idea. All right, let's
And then
see.
put his cape on.
So we'll just slide these on him. Nice. They just pop right on. Super easy. There we go. And now, next thing we will do is we will pop his cape on. And, you know, I love his cape because you know what? He looks so warm and cozy, right?
I know. But Astrid's cape is short, so she doesn't.
Yeah, sadly. But I think Astrid would be okay, right?
Yeah. Can I
So,
see both of their
first,
mugs?
we have the Nightlight Fury. He is so cute, guys. We just mentioned that. He is so adorable. I love him so much. Yeah, so so yes, now let's see, let's make a little setup here. We'll make a little log for them to sit on. We'll put the nightlight right there. Oh, we need the little fire. Stay away, little guy. Okay, and then we will put one fish in the bucket and another little boneless fish in the bucket, and we will put that right there. And then the little
and
stick.
here's the mugs.
And
Cheers.
we can have Astrid can hold a stick so she could roast her fish over the fire.
It's in this too for
these?
both of them.
Yes, she can hold it. Okay, so she will sit on the log and roast her fish.
Hiccup could also roast his fish.
There, here we go, Astrid. There's a fish for you.
Now Hiccup can have his fish roast.
Yes, and okay.
Astrid.
Oh no, Astrid! Don't fall over. So what do we think we should do with this fish? Hiccup doesn't have a fish. Should we give it to Hiccup?
Yeah. And the toothless guy has one too.
Yes, now this
Yeah,
little nightlight has one too. You know what, guys? I do not know the name of this light night. Do you?
No.
How about you guys comment below a name for this little guy?
Yeah.
And we will figure out a name, and we will pick one of your guys' names. So, and you will also get a shout out. So
what
make sure
about Light?
you comment down below what name you think we should name this
What
little
about
guy,
Fury?
or if he has a name. So yes, he is so adorable. Oh, and guys, we forgot to mention inside there was a little booklet. Not sure where that went. Oh no. But there was a little booklet with all the Playmobil sets. But make sure you go check out Playmobil Awesome Sets. So yeah, we had this set, as you guys saw. So yes, you think they should roast some of their fish over the fire now? I don't think they're cooked, do you?
I don't either.
Yum.
The dragon.
Ooh, yay. Ooh.
It's like he's in the stretching mode and flying.
Oh, okay. Hey, Astrid, let's roast some fish.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, Hiccup has some fish. That's good. Roast some fish over the fire. Woohoo. Ooh, and I can't wait to drink my nice rum. My nice gruel. Yum. Ooh, Astrid, you know what we could do instead of let's put the bucket over the fire.
Okay.
And let's put our fish in there.
Alright. I'll put my stick
To boil our fish. Oh no! Well, don't worry. We'll get that in a minute. We don't need it, Astrid. There we go. And, oh no. We'll give this one to Little Light Night.
He already has one.
That's his. Oh, he does. That's his little. Guys, that's his name for now. And if you guys like that name, make sure you comment that down below. So we'll boil this. Oh no, we can't eat the fish now.
Aww.
That stinks. Okay.
Well, we'll maybe try something else.
I think it's time for bed. Let's put our mugs on the log. Okay, and now we will
clean
put
up this mess.
all the fish into the bucket.
The Nightlight can probably eat all the fish overnight.
You can eat the fish in the bucket, and we will save this one, guys, because it's already dirty. So we will put that on the fire, and by tomorrow that should be all nice and
Clean.
yes. So that looks like that is it for their night. Now I'm going to put my soap down, and I'm going to put my cake.
Where's the other fish? We have 4.
On the front. Oh no! Hiccup! Nightlight, did you eat it?
Where is it?
Mr. Nightlight, oh my goodness. You silly little dragon.
Where'd you put it, though, Sus?
Put it anywhere. I'll put it anywhere. Okay, so now let's go to bed, Astrid.
Alright.
Alright guys, well that is going to be it for this video. Make sure to subscribe.
And turn on that like button.
And the post notifications. Bye. Oh, and make sure you follow our other channels. They will be listed down below. Bye guys.